Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save Excel files. To begin, open your Excel workbook and ensure you have made the desired changes. Navigate to the File tab, located in the top left corner of your screen. From there, you will see several options related to file management. We will focus on the Save and Save As functions, which are crucial for preserving your work and ensuring your data is secure and accessible for future use. Understanding Save versus Save As is key. When you click Save, Excel updates the current file with any modifications you've made since the last save. This is ideal for ongoing work. However, if you want to create a new version, perhaps with a different name or in a new folder, you should choose Save As. This preserves your original document while allowing you to make a separate copy. Adopting good saving habits can save you a lot of frustration. Make sure to save your work frequently, perhaps every 10 to 15 minutes, to prevent losing progress due to unforeseen issues. Always use descriptive file names that clearly indicate the content, like Q3 Sales Report, instead of Data 1. This makes finding specific files much easier in the future. Beyond basic saving, Excel offers various file formats. You can save as a standard XLSX Workbook, A, CSV for plain text data, or even export directly to A, PDF for easy sharing. Consider using cloud storage services like OneDrive or Google Drive for automatic backups and seamless collaboration with others. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial literacy, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.